my God, why have you forsaken me? It is finished. Father, into your hands I commit my spirit.
Welcome to the consecrated.
He took the bread and gave thanks. This is my body, which is given in your behalf. Keep doing this in remembrance of me. This cup means the new covenant by virtue of my blood, which is to be poured out in your behalf. Get up, let's be going. Look, the man who is betraying me is near. Sit here while I go over there and pray. My Father, if it is possible, let this cup pass from me. Yet not what I want, but what you want. My Father, if this cup cannot be taken away unless I drink it, your will must be done. Hail, Master. Betrayest thou the Son of Man with a kiss?
Then Simon Peter, having a sword, drew it.
No.
He struck the guard and cut off his ear.
Put your sword back in its place.
And he touched the man's ear and healed him.
No more of this. For all they that take the sword shall perish with the sword. I charge you under oath by the living God. Are you the Messiah, the Son of God? You have said so. But I say to all of you, from now on you will see the Son of Man sitting at the right hand of the Mighty One and coming on the clouds of heaven. Take him to Pilate. Yes, High Priest. Are you the King of the Jews? My kingdom is not from this world. If my kingdom were from this world, my servants would be fighting so that I wouldn't be handed over. So you are a king? You say that I am a king. I was born for this purpose and came into the world for this purpose, to testify to the truth. What is truth? I find no basis for a charge against this man. This man stirs up the people! You have a custom that I release someone for you at the Passover. So do you want me to release the King of the Jews for you? I am innocent of this man's blood. The responsibility is yours. Take him and flog him.
They mocked him and struck him. Crown of thorns pressed upon the Son of God. He carried the cross through suffering and shame. They crucified him. Father, forgive them, for they know not what they do.
If thou be Christ, save thyself and us. Aren't you afraid of God, since you are suffering for the same penalty? And we indeed justly, for we receive the due reward of our deeds. But this man hath done nothing amiss. Jesus, remember me when you come into your kingdom. I tell you with certainty, today you will be with me in paradise.
Christ, our Passover Lamb. The Lamb of God, bearing the sins of the world.
My God, why have you forsaken me? I thirst.
When he thirsted, they gave him sour wine.
It is finished. Father, into your hands I commit my spirit.
And a spear pierced his side.
Joseph took the body, wrapped it in a clean linen cloth, and laid it in his own new tomb, which he had cut out of the rock.
We must seal it now. The hour is late.
Yes, together, push!
It is done. The tomb is sealed.
Christ suffered once for sins, the righteous for the unrighteous, to bring you to God.